In this video, I'm going to be answering your question on does fair money harass people. So far so good. I've made some research about fair money. I didn't see anywhere they harass people that borrow money from them. The worst they can actually do is to call your contact that, okay, fine, so person borrowed money from our platform and he or she haven't paid back. Can you please help us tell the person to pay back the loan he or she borrowed from us? You understand? And it all depends on how that person responds to them. Because I could remember one time like that. I think that's 2 years ago. I forgot the loan app, to be precise. So this person called me. I think it's a female, right? The person called me and said so person borrowed money from their platform and the person haven't paid back. Can I help them talk to the person? So that day I was so angry, yeah, and the call came in at the wrong time. So what I replied to that person is that, okay, fine, this person borrowed money from you. Did you call me to confirm if I knew this person? You understand? So did you call me to confirm? You did not. So why is it that when the person did not pay back the loan, you are now calling me? Please don't call my number again. That is exactly what I said to the person. And since then, they didn't call my number again. So I have no idea. Maybe the person paid back the loan or not. You understand? So that is what I can say about the fair money loan harassment stuff.